Are you looking for a hidden gem in Naples, Florida? I'm here with my friend Melanie.
Hello.
And we're going to go out and explore some of the trails here on the Bird Rookery Swamp Trail. It's one of Naples' hidden gems. It's definitely off the beaten path, but worth it if you're looking for some solitude and a chance to see some amazing wildlife. Not even on the trail yet, and we've found a baby gator sunning himself. 12 miles of hiking and biking trails. So we did just see a sign, and it says, do not bring your dogs or pets out here. It's not recommended along the trail due to the presence of alligators. Let's go and we'll see what kind of wildlife we can find today. So we're a little ways in now. We're on the gravel path and heading down this way. It's really beautiful. You'll hear the sounds in the background. Very peaceful. There are some other people out here, but we can't see them. There are 12 miles of trails, so everybody's pretty spread out. So we're on the quarter mile of the crushed shell path, and this leads to a 1,500-foot boardwalk, which I can't wait to go to because that's supposed to have amazing views. And then once we get past the boardwalk, the trails flatten into a sandy, grassy path with swamp on either side of it. So I'm sure we'll see some wildlife once we get there. These trails were actually old tram roads that were used many, many years ago when this area was being logged. We made it to the boardwalk. I'm gonna go on this now. I think it's about 1,500 square feet, or 1,500 feet. I'm used to houses. Then we're gonna get to the grassy area. Here we go. Well, this trail is definitely not for the faint of heart. We're back here, and there's all kinds of sounds. I'm not sure what they are. We're assuming they're gators. So here, it looks like there's a slide mark from a gator that had been on the trail and decided to go in the water.
Oh boy. Yeah, I really sunk on that. On mine too.
If you want to see Florida wildlife, this is the place to be. I'm back home after a fun day of hiking. We had a great time. We both were covered in mud when we got home, so I have had a shower and I am now settled in at home and ready to start relaxing.